Hello students, now I am going to explain the first chapter in poems book for the students of 10th class, that is The Heart of the Tree. And in this poem the poet has explained the importance of the tree. If any of the person is planting more and more trees, what benefit he will get. Now we will start it with the first stanza. What does he plant who plants a tree? In the first line, the poet is asking the general questions from the readers. A person who is planting tree, what benefits he gets? यानी कि जो पर्सन ट्री को प्लांट कर रहा है उसको और क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. He plants a friend of sun and sky. The poet is replying in the next line. He plants a friend of sun and sky. Poet is calling a plant a friend of sun and sky. It means through the process of photosynthesis, the plants make food and plants purify the air also and provide us oxygen. Like this, the poet is calling plant a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breeze free. The tree provide us cool breeze also. The shaft of beauty towering high. When the tree go higher, they look just like a tower. Here the poet is comparing the trees with the tower when they grow high. He plants a home to heaven and I, and it looks like that the tree have made the home near to the heaven. For song and mother croon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight heard. And now in the next line, poet is talking about the bird. That in the twilight, in the evening time, we can hear the song of the bird also. That can be heard in the evening time. The travel of heaven's harmony, these things he plants who plants a tree. And in the next line, poet is trying to tell us that trees provide shelter to the birds also, and in the twilight or in the evening, we can easily listen the birds singing a song. Like this, in the first stanza, poet has explained few of the benefits what we will get if we plant the tree. Like this, such as the poet has explained, it gives us cool breeze and it provides shelter to the birds also, which cannot go anywhere except making their own house on the trees. Like this, few of the things poet has explained in the first extract. The person will get who plants a tree. Now in the second stanza, what does he plant who plants a tree? In the second stanza also, poet is again asking the same question. What does a person plant who plants a tree? He plants cool shade and tender rain. In the second stanza, the poet is trying to tell us that tree gives us cool shade, and through the process of transpiration, trees are helpful in bringing rain also, and seed and bud of days to be. And the seed which are produced through the plant, and years that fade and flush again. With the help of those seeds, when any of the tree has faded, यानी कोई भी ट्री मुरझा चुका है या टूट चुका है, with the help of seed they again flush and start blooming or growing. यानी कि सीड की वजह से ट्रीज़ दोबारा से ग्रो करने लगते हैं. उन ट्रीज़ के बारे में वो बता रहा है जो कि मुरझा चुके हैं या जो डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुके हैं. He plants the glory of the plain. Because of the trees, field also looks so beautiful. He plants the forest as heritage. And in next lines, the poet is trying to tell us that the person who is planting trees, after some time, those trees take a form of a forest. When the tree starts growing in a big number, the same trees make a forest and are helpful for other people also. The harvest of a coming age. Next line, what is poet trying to tell us? That for the upcoming generation also, he is giving great benefit. The joy that unborn eyes shall see, these things he plants who plants a tree. Like this, unborn eyes का मतलब है the people who have not taken birth till now, or the children who have not taken birth till now. Means the person who is planting tree is helping those people also who have not taken birth till now. That means that person is helpful for the upcoming generation. Now third stanza. What does he plant who plants a tree? The same question poet is asking in the third extract also. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood. Means the person who is planting tree provides leaf and wood and sap also. Sap is a kind of liquid that reaches to the roots of the tree, and it is helpful. Tree is helpful for providing us wood and leaf also, as leaf and wood are helpful in making so many medicines also, and helpful in other tasks also. In love of home and loyalty, the same person is loyal to us who is planting a tree, and far cast thought of civic good, and the person who is planting tree is thinking for the welfare of the common citizen of the country. Now in the next line, what is poet trying to tell us? His blessings on the neighborhood. The person who is planting tree is giving blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. And like this, the person who is planting a tree is helpful in the growth of our motherland. A nation's growth from sea to sea stirs in his heart who plants a tree. And poet is saying in the last line is that the person who is planting tree is not helpful for the upcoming generation or for his neighborhood, but he is helpful for the whole nation. That means he is thinking for the welfare of the whole nation or universe. Like this, poet has explained the whole importance of the planting trees in this extract or in this poem. Like this, poet has given us common message that what benefits we may get if we try to plant more and more trees.